morning, flower friends. It is your friend in flower, Lisa Mason Ziegler, popping in. We are here on the farm this morning for a leadership meeting. We call it the Masterminds. It's where we just get down to business. And the team and I just made a decision, and I thought I had to come on here and just share it with you guys. We've had so many inquiries about the bonus training class that came with our Cool Flower course that was on special the last week. Well, the special was that you got this training. We have decided to turn it back on for 2 days. What that means is from now until Tuesday night, August 6th at midnight Eastern Time, when you purchase Cool Flowers from seed to harvest, you will also get the special bonus training that I have created, which is all about living and taking care of that cool season garden, because it's so different, right, than hot to warm. So anyway, I just wanted to come on here. I'll post about it later, but now you can actually head over to the gardenersworkshop.com and just go to that course page. And you can also get a sneak peek inside the course to see what it's all about. The course includes, it's like all the Cool Flower flowers and starting from seed and harvesting and what stage to harvest and where do you make the cut and growing tips. And it's just, and it has the basics of the Cool Flower concept. And it just like, when do you plant? And it's just that whole snapshot, because I'll tell you, what I discovered 27 years ago when I planted my first Cool Flower garden is it's a lot different than gardening in the season that we think of as spring and summer. And there's just a lot of hooks that help you along the way. So, Cool Flowers from Seed to Harvest course, now for 2 days. The launch that we did last week is back for 2 short days. Too many people are saying, I missed it. How do I get that bonus training? Well, that's how you get it, friends, is by purchasing Cool Flowers from Seed to Harvest. You can find it over at thegardenersworkshop.com. And the bonus training is, I show you how I build low tunnels by myself, which is the way I prefer to do it, 100-foot long bed, how to double row cover and why and when you would do that, as well as installing what really helps me now with this weather craziness is a sun cap to cool my Cool Flower beds in the fall when I plant. So check it out. I'm sure I'll be posting about this later, but I have a team of leaders upstairs that I've got to get back to, and I'm just super excited about this because, friends, Cool Flowers will increase your spring cash flow. It will get you set up with your customers for the rest of the season. Don't underestimate the power of having early flowers that grow outdoors in a garden. No hoop or greenhouses here, friends. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So check it out over at thegardenersworkshop.com. Cool Flowers from Seed to Harvest course is back with the offer of getting my special video bonus training of mastering Cool Flowers, expert tips and techniques. All right, friends, till we meet again. Ciao.